I show you how to fix Fortnite Voice Chat not working, new season fix. Also support my work guys, you can use my code in item shop, just use UFO187. Okay guys, all you need to do, just move here right on your profile picture, click on it and move to this gear. Click this and move here to voice chat and you will see here first voice chat method, click on it. If you have this push to talk, switch this to open mic and go here apply. Move here to voice chat input device, from default choose like me microphone high definition. Go here apply and here voice chat output device, from default choose your headphones or speakers like me high definition and go here apply. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix microphone not working in new Fortnite season. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.